Hi, it's Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Thanks for joining me. Today I just want to give you a little bit of an overview of how we work and how we work with people with earthquake damaged properties to help them move on with their life. So it's a win-win transaction for them and it's a win-win transaction for us. So it's a positive transaction both ways. So what we do is we come down and have a chat with you at your place, find out what's really important to you in terms of the timeframes that you want to work to in selling your property, when you want to move, if you've got another house that you've got to move into, or you need to look for a house. We can provide flexibility in settlement and possession and when you need to move from your earthquake damaged property. So it all ties in and it's nice and easy for you. What we'll do then is we'll take a good look at your house. We'll look at we'll take that information away, we'll look at the numbers of what it's going to cost to fix. We'll then look at some comparative market values of repaired or normal properties in the area, and essentially how it works is we go, well, the end value or the market value of the property minus the fixed cost or the repair cost of the property, and then a contingency and profit margin, of course. So we can obviously make $1 at the end of the day as well. So it's a very simple process. We're very transparent with that. We'll show you the numbers, we'll show you exactly how it works. So that's how we get to a figure. Obviously you'll have a figure in mind, and it's about trying to have some sort of negotiation that is going to be a win-win for both parties. So yeah, we're here to help you. Very transparent process, honest and upfront, and if you would like to get a free appraisal on your property, give us a call on 0800 payout. That's 0800 payout, and we'll come. I will come out and sit down with you at your property and do the required due diligence, listen to what you've got to say, what's important to you, and then we'll come back to you with a competitive offer. Talk to you soon.